Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos.
Today, we're going to show you how to make Japanese baked cheesecake. So, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin. Sa isang mixing bowl, paghaluin lang yung crushed grahams at ang butter. Haluin nyo lang ito hanggang maging well incorporated. After that, isalin nyo lang ito sa isang baking tray. I-make sure nyo lang na evenly distributed ang crust natin sa tray. After that, iset aside nyo muna ito. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin ang cream cheese toppings. Sa isang mixing bowl, i-cream lang natin yung butter at ang cream cheese. After that, i-add na yung sugar at ang 2 eggs. Tapos, i-continue lang yung paghalo. Then, i-add nyo na rin yung all-purpose cream. Tapos, i-add nyo na rin yung lemon juice. Lastly, i-add nyo na rin yung flour at ang food color. By the way guys, optional lang yung paglalagay ng yellow food coloring. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang maging well incorporated. Kapag okay na yung cream cheese mixture, ibuhos nyo lang ito over the crust. Siguraduhin nyo lang na pantay ang pagkakadistribute ng cream cheese mixture natin sa pan. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes.
By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
So, eto na yung magiging itsura ng Japanese baked cheesecake natin after baking. Pwede nyo itong i-cut sa maliliit na serving sizes. Mas makabubuti kung ilalagay nyo muna ito sa fridge for overnight bago nyo ito i-serve. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare na rin ang video ito para everybody happy! Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys! Till our next vlog!